What's the one?
It's a 28 Model A with a box chassis and a 50 Ford Flathead motor, 3-speed. We got a cockshut emblem and a Massey Ferguson grill and a whole bunch of interesting things on here. We got a few of the family's wrenches and.
Cockshut.
No, Cockshut was a Canadian tractor company out of Ontario. For some reason, they later changed the name to White.
Oh yeah. Which year is it?
28 Ford.
28 Ford.
Yeah, and check out the steering there. That's all chain drive. My son did that.
Oh, there's just a chain.
Yeah, that cranks the wheel and.
It works.
Oh, of course it works. I drove it here.
Really?
Drove it here from Victoria.
Oh, it's from Victoria.
Got a few interesting things inside. Odd wrenches, made the steering wheel.
It's always like custom made, unique.
Yeah. My dad always wore a red and black jacket, so Dad's sitting in the back seat now. There.
Oh, that's Hadley.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just collected parts for a year and a half and built it in 6 months. And
6 months. That's
built it in 2014.
Wow. How many of them left in the?
Oh, I have no idea.
One.
No nagging. No nagging.
What's this inside?
Well, it's a luggage box, but part of it's a cooler, so you got to have beverages.
Wow, that's.
There it is. Pretty simple.
How many horsepower does it?
Well, that motor, when it was new in 1950, had 100 horsepower, but what it's got now, I have no idea. It goes down the road good.
This is even have a whiskey there.
That's first aid kit.
First aid kit.
How can you get away with that? A chain.
Why can't I?
It doesn't seem like it would be. I mean.
What if the hose in your power steering goes?
Yeah, I know. I mean. It doesn't seem like. It seemed like if I hit this, it would take slack. It would move part of the chain.
No, won't do that. No, that chain steering's solid. It's solid. Where's it going to go?
Yeah, well.
Well, if you hit that wheel, you're not going to move the steering box. Anyway, it is what it is.
Yeah. If it's legal, then great. But it doesn't seem to be.
I don't know. Yeah, so there's a little story on it right there. So.
Many details.
Yep.
Clothes.
Yep. And our sponsor, Lucky Logger.
Lucky Logger. Yeah, it's a chain. Where did this chain come from?
Swap meet down in Monroe, Washington.
Really?
Yep.
It looks like a bumper now.
It was surplus for the U.S. Navy, apparently. So.
Yeah.
But, yep, all works. Runs fine.
Thank you.
Okay, take care. Bye.